Okay, so really quick, I just want to go over some simple divergence. Divergence is very, very simple to see, very simple to use once you get the hang of it. You guys know I usually use on-balance volume for divergences, but I'm kind of switching back to RSI. You know, I'm switching back to RSI. I kind of just found that the RSI is a lot better. It kind of just, I think it plans divergences better. I've tried both for months, and I think, you know, the RSI is my final choice. So we're going to be using the RSI when we use these strategies. So there's basically two types of divergences we're going to look at. Okay, anytime price action makes a lower low, like this, okay, but if we take a look at the RSI, we can see price action is going to make at that exact point that we marked up in here, where we started, from here to here, boom. Price action is now making a higher low. It's showing a sign of reversal in the market, and as you guys can see, once that was kind of just planted, right, boom. That's where price action pretty much made that lower low, and that's where the RSI made that higher low. That's showing a reversal in the market, and that's bullish divergence. We're going to mark it from the bottoms, lower lows, and then a higher low on the RSI. That's how you're going to mark bullish divergence when you're looking for buys, okay? That's going to show you reversal to the upside. Now, when we're looking for bearish divergence, we're going to mark them from the tops. And let me show you an example of that really quick. Okay, very simple. If we go from right here to here, as you guys can see, this area to this area, price what? It made a lower high. But as you guys can see, look at the RSI. Mark that exact same area, exact same areas. Boom. What in the heck's happening? Boom. Look at the difference. Price is making a lower high on the actual price action, but the RSI is showing a higher high. This is a sign of a bearish divergence move. So now what do we see? We see price pretty much make that and plant that divergence. And then we see price drop to the downside. Okay? Using divergences is amazing, and we're going to be using them in this strategy, but we're also going to use them a lot with channels. If you ever see price hit a channel, but it's also showing divergence, divergence kind of just shows you that price is kind of slowing down. Okay, those buyers are dying down. Those sellers are starting to kind of just, they're whimpering off. That just shows that that trend is weakening. You got a weak trend, you're at the top of a channel, you might want to get in for a sell or a buy if you're at the bottom of the channel. It's very simple, guys. That RSI is going to show you that the actual price is doing the opposite, and it's kind of starting to slow down. Like, you know, it's going up, but on here it's going down on the RSI. Okay, reversal. Very simple. We're going to use this in the strategy. It's going to be one of our confirmations. So let's go ahead and go on to the actual putting it all together piece and kind of just go over all of this stuff.